Was it hard? Was it easy?
It was hard.
How much time did you put into?
It's not overnight.
Right.
You know what I mean? Like, I had a franchise before that, so I put in the work a year prior to that. And then when I went independent, I just went even harder. But I was like going through so much at 29 and like starting this company and like doing all this stuff and like finding myself. And like, you got to think, I started this self-funded. Like, there was no mom and dad. There was no, successful anybody behind me. You know what I mean? So it's like, it's faith over fear. That I'm capable of so much more. Like, let me show everyone my potential, for me, not for anyone else. I need to get that very clear. It was for me and for my family.